In this video, we're going to build a very basic accordion. First, we'll create the HTML. We have a page container that holds 3 sections. Each section has a panel and a content div. Next, we'll add a height and a background color to the panels. You can see them here in the output. We also added a border to the bottom of each panel and set the cursor to pointer, which will indicate to users that the panels are clickable. Next, we'll style the content sections. We've just added a height and a background color on the content divs. The content divs have more height, so they're visually distinguishable from the panel divs. Now we're going to center the text of the panels and the content divs both horizontally and vertically using Flexbox. Alright, next up, arguably the most important part of our CSS is that we need to hide the content sections by default by setting display none. Now on to the JavaScript. The first thing we need to do is create a reference to our panels. Then we iterate through the panels and create a click event listener for each one. Then we'll implement show hide for each panel. The show hide operation here is based on the fact that each panel's sibling is its respective content div. So, in other words, panel 1's sibling is content 1, panel 2's sibling is content 2, and panel 3's sibling is content 3. So when you click on a panel, JavaScript is basically asking, is the panel's sibling, in this case the content section right below it, is it showing or hidden? And if it's showing, it will hide it. If it's hidden, it will show it. Alright, thanks for watching. If you're interested in content for absolute beginner web developers, be sure to subscribe for more because there's much more to come in the future. Thanks, bye.